Do you want to know how you can log into your Walmart payroll account? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to How to Log In. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your Walmart payroll account. Go ahead and open any browser on your PC, go to the search bar and then search for Walmart payroll login. Click on the first link which appears on your screen over here, and then it will take you to the official page of Walmart. You can see that you can log into your account by clicking on login, which you will be seeing over here. Once you have been there, you can see that the login option will be here. Go ahead and click on it. After you click on login, you can see that you can log in using your user ID. The example is WM and then the letters over here. So go ahead and write down your user ID and then choose your country. After you choose in your country, go to the location and choose your location over here and then click sign in. After that, write down your password, click sign in and then you can log into your Walmart payroll account. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.